I'm going to show you 4 exercises that you can do to help give you some strength exercises and help loosen you up throughout your workday. You don't need any equipment. You can do it right there at your desk or wherever you are. I'm going to use this stool as a mock desk and a chair. So first it's going to be a sit to stand. So put your chair right behind you and you're going to stand with your feet shoulder width apart, and I'm just going to have you sit down and stand up. Now this seems like a really basic exercise, but this is so important for your activities of daily living. You want to be able to stand up out of a chair without having to push down on anything. And you can do anywhere between 8 and 20 repetitions of each of these exercises. The goal is to get your blood pumping, to fatigue your muscles a little bit, feel like you're doing some work. So that's the sit to stand, just using your desk chair. Secondly, is I'm going to have you do a push-up from your desk. Again, I'm going to use my step stool here as my mock desk, and I'm going to have you have your hands about shoulder width apart. Your feet can be about shoulder width apart. You want your body to be in a straight line, and you're going to lower yourself down towards your desk and then push away. Lower yourself down and push away. Lower down and push away. Good. And you want to do as many of these as you can. Again, 8 to 20 repetitions is great. The lower the surface, the harder it's going to be. So if doing it from your desk is hard, you can do it from a wall. That's great. Good. Next, I'm going to have you do an exercise to work your core and loosen up your hips and your legs. And that's simply to do an alternating march with your arms up. You're going to drive your elbows down as you bring one knee up, and then you're going to switch to the other side. So you're going to reach up and pull down. Reach and pull down. Reach and pull down. So you're engaging your abdominal muscles throughout this process as you do it. And you're loosening up your hips. You're using your whole body. So you're going to get your heart rate elevated a little bit. Good. Reach and bring those arms down. Engage those abs as you do it. Great job. Again, anywhere from 8 to 20 on each side. Okay, and lastly, we're going to work your shoulders and your arms a little bit more. So you're going to take your arms out to the side, stand with your feet shoulder width apart, relax your shoulders down and away from your ears, shoulder blades back, and you're going to circle your arms forward. Keep your arms nice and straight. Let the motion come from your shoulders. Do several going forward, and then go ahead and reverse the direction and go backwards. And you should start to feel your shoulders feel heavy. Keep your arms really straight. Great job. Great. 4 exercises you can do from your office, from your desk, or anywhere where you are, not needing any equipment, just a chair or a desk, even a wall. Have a great day.